Have you ever wondered why hummingbirds are so unique? Let's take a journey back in time to when these remarkable creatures first fluttered their way into existence. Hummingbirds belong to the bird family Trochilidae, a group that boasts more than 300 species, each one more captivating than the last. But how did they come to be? Well, it all started millions of years ago. The hummingbird's ancestors were swift-like birds that eventually evolved to possess the unique traits we see today. They developed an uncanny ability to hover in mid-air, thanks to their rapid wing beat and compact size. Over time, these changes allowed them to access nectar from flowers that other birds simply couldn't reach. Hummingbirds have since flourished, spreading far and wide across the Americas, from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego. They've adapted to every climate, from the scorching desert heat to the frosty mountain peaks. And that, my friends, is how these amazing creatures came into existence. Now that we know where these beautiful creatures come from, let's dive into the various types of hummingbirds that grace our world today. There are over 300 different species, each with their own unique traits and vibrant colors. Starting off with the smallest of the lot, we have the bee hummingbird. As the name suggests, it's about the size of a bee, and it's found only in Cuba and the Isla de la Juventud. Its dazzling blue and green plumage is a sight to behold. Then there's the ruby-throated hummingbird, known for its brilliant red throat, or gorget. This bird is a common sight across North America during the warmer months, delighting birdwatchers with its iridescent colors. And let's not forget the Anna's hummingbird, native to the west coast of North America. It's known for its remarkable diving displays during courtship, a true spectacle in the avian world. From the tiny bee hummingbird to the vibrant ruby-throated hummingbird, these creatures never cease to amaze. Hummingbirds aren't just unique for their looks, but also their behaviors and temperaments. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of hummingbird behavior. These tiny avian acrobats are indeed a marvel in the world of birds. One of their most notable abilities is their capacity to hover in mid-air, a feat that no other bird can achieve to the same degree. They accomplish this through incredibly rapid wing beats, fluttering their wings at an astonishing average of 50 times per second. This incredible speed isn't just for show. It enables them to maneuver with unmatched agility, darting to and fro, even flying backwards or upside down. This is essential for their survival as they navigate through dense foliage in search of their primary food source, nectar. But there's a surprising side to these delicate creatures. Despite their small size, hummingbirds are fiercely territorial. They stake out areas rich in food, especially flowering plants, and will aggressively chase away any intruders, even birds much larger than themselves. This often leads to high-speed aerial dogfights as they swoop and dive in an attempt to assert dominance over their chosen territory. Hummingbirds also exhibit a unique mating ritual. Male hummingbirds perform a courtship display, swooping in a U-shaped pattern in front of females, showcasing their agility and vibrant plumage. Some species even produce a unique humming sound, using their tail feathers during these displays, adding an auditory element to their courtship. What's more, hummingbirds have an exceptional memory. They remember every flower they've been to, and how long it will take a flower to refill after they've drained its nectar. This ability to remember locations, even over long distances, is a crucial part of their survival strategy. Through their distinct behaviors and temperaments, hummingbirds truly stand out among the bird family. They embody a mesmerizing blend of agility, tenacity, and beauty, all packed into a tiny feathered frame. So, next time you see a hummingbird, remember, there's more to them than meets the eye. In our journey today, we've explored the world of hummingbirds, from their evolution to their unique behaviors. We've discovered that these miniature marvels are descendants of a bird family that dates back millions of years, and they've evolved into over 300 different species, each with their own distinctive characteristics. We've learned about their fiery temperament, their rapid wing beats that produce a humming sound, and their ability to fly in every direction. We've also touched on their unique behaviors, including their solitary nature and their fierce territorial instincts. But what truly sets hummingbirds apart is their significant role in our ecosystem. Their pollination activities help plants thrive, and their vibrant colors add a dash of brightness to our world. Hummingbirds are a perfect example of nature's artistry and engineering. So keep an eye out for these remarkable creatures and appreciate their beauty and uniqueness. After all, there's no other bird quite like the hummingbird.